So in this video we're going to be talking about how to fix the Marvel Rivals high ping and packet loss. So it's a popular problem and I will show you the ways to fix it. So guys, the first way is messing around with your network adapter, which actually helps. So firstly, go into your control panel, network and internet, sharing center, adapter settings, choose your primary adapter, properties, configure, and guys, now from here let us go into advanced, and in here make sure to disable all offload settings. Okay, offload basically means that your internet is going to be working not on the 100%, it's going to be throttling, so it's just unnecessary. For example, AIP offload disable, let's see, what do we have? Checksum offload disable. Basically find every disable word in here in the menu, okay, and just set the value to disable. As you can see, I have it disabled everywhere. Offload, offload. As you can see, everything, I have it everywhere disabled. You will have enabled everywhere. Just set it to disabled, and this is the first fix. Okay, after that guys, I recommend absolutely using this amazing piece of application called the Latency Fix. I've been using this app a lot back when I played an MMO, and MMO games are constantly running on the internet connection. There's no possibility to play them offline, so stable ping and stability of your internet is crucial there, and this app did wonders. I 100% recommend it. Just type in WoW interface in your Google search for Latency Fix, just press the install here. As you can see, I already have it installed. You will have install button, close out, restart your PC, and done. Okay, lastly guys, I have the last app that will help you optimize your internet connection and fix your lag. It's called a TCP Optimizer. Go ahead, Google it up, download it. I already have a dedicated tutorial on how to use this app in a different video. And basically copy all of these settings. Okay, so slider all the way to the 100 megabytes a second. Set the settings to custom to be able to modify everything. So all of these settings right here, where my mouse cursor is, set it right here, just like in here as well. Also make sure to put in these numbers as well. Then screenshot number 2, also these settings as well. Copy all of the numbers and all of the settings, and this is going to be our last fix. And trust me guys, your ping and stability of your connection, your packet loss is going to go down, is going to become way better, and you will have a much better experience playing your Marvel Rivals. Guys, enjoy the video. If it helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this. See you next time.